to the presentation. In Excel 2010, we're going to learn about the VLOOKUP formula. Begin by typing in some information. We have some students here, and we have their grades. So VLOOKUP is useful for actually looking up some value and calculating what corresponding result they should get. So for example, if you're talking about grades as a percentage, notice how we have the intervals from 0 to 50 to 70 to 80 to 90. So if you're between 0 and 49.999, you get an F, as opposed to if you hit the threshold of 50, you get a D. If you hit 70 or higher, you get a C. 80 or higher, you get a B. 90 or higher, you get an A. So how do we actually calculate the letter grade here? Now, if this list was very long, it would take a long time to manually calculate it, and humans are prone to error. So what we do is use this VLOOKUP formula. I'm going to type in equals VLOOKUP bracket, and notice how we have a hint here. There's three different parts of this formula here. The actual value you want to look up. I want to see what a grade of 75 means. So click here, it's B1, comma. Now where is this table array? It's down here. I'm going to highlight, click and drag, highlight the actual lookup table, comma, and this last part is cause of confusion. It says here call index number. Basically, you're going to choose the number of the column that you want to return. In this case, there's two columns, column 1 and column 2. I'm going to type in 2 there, and basically it means that the result I want to spit back is in the second column, which has the letters as opposed to the percentages. I'm going to close the bracket here and press enter, and notice how we have C as the answer. That's correct. So I'll try this again. Equals VLOOKUP bracket, and the number I want to look up is what 92 means, comma, where's my table? It's right here. Here's the information of my table, comma, and then which column you want to return. Now don't do 1. Column 1 refers to this information here, so if I did this, this would be a mistake. We don't want the number 90. What we want to do is type in equals VLOOKUP, this number here, click, comma, this range here, comma, 2. I want to return the second column, which is a letter. And notice how it appropriately chooses the correct letter. Now, I wish there was a faster way of doing this, and in fact there is. If I click on the first cell here, and I'm tempted to drag the bottom right corner, as you might have learned in a previous video about autofill, and if you drag it, it doesn't quite work. Something here is glitching, and we'll present a new video in an upcoming video about why this is the case. But for now, you understand what a VLOOKUP formula is used for. Congratulations.